Welcome. This is a quick 10-minute morning yoga full body stretch. As always, feel free to skip any poses or modify if and when needed. We'll begin laying, reaching the hands up overhead, maybe circling the wrists, circling the ankles, just getting a really big stretch in here. Whenever you're ready, we'll bend the knees, planting the feet mat width distance, and just begin to rock the knees gently side to side, rolling over the glutes, the lower back. Great, go ahead and take the elbows in line with the shoulders, straightening the right leg and just allowing the left knee to fall open for a supine tree pose. Option here to place pillows underneath that left knee for added height and support. Softening the body here wherever you can with each exhale. Take your time working through the body. And we'll lift the left knee, straightening the left leg. And then same thing with the right knee, just allowing it to fall open for a supine tree pose. Taking time here to work through the body, softening the body with each exhale. Great, gently lift the knees. We'll go ahead and take both knees over towards the left side of the mat. Back stays flat for a supine twist. If this isn't intense enough, you'd like a deeper stretch, go ahead and straighten the left leg and then just crossing the right knee all the way over towards the left. Option to modify, placing pillows between the knees or underneath the knees for added height and support. Once again, through each pose, working with the breath, creating space with your inhales. Letting go, surrendering here with each exhale, even if it's just for a moment. And we'll gently release, switching sides, whichever variation feels best for you. And remember, you can modify. You should feel good in each pose. This is your practice. Great. Gently release. We'll lift the knees, bend them, and then just taking the right ankle to the top of that left thigh. Just above the knee, you can stay here flexing the feet, or you can hug the legs in towards the chest by interlacing your fingers behind the left thigh. Option to gently rock side to side, rolling over the lower back, massaging the back. And we'll release, switching sides, once again staying wherever you feel most comfortable. Great. We'll go ahead and hug the knees in towards the chest. Big squeeze. Big hug here. And we'll go ahead and straighten the right leg. Grabbing the back of the left thigh, begin to draw the heel up towards the sky, flexing that foot. Now, if this is too intense, you can always place a strap around the foot so you can draw that heel actually closer towards the ground, straightening out that leg. Option to keep a bend in that knee, and you can even circle the ankle, finding some movement here. And we'll go ahead and switch sides. Drawing that right leg in, grab the back of the thigh or use a strap around the foot. Option to keep a bend in that knee. And you can find some movement here, circling the ankle. Great. Whenever you're ready, we'll gently release, coming up into a tabletop pose. And then just sending the hips back towards the heels for child's pose, forehead or cheek to the mat. You can reach the hands forward or take them just beside your heels, your hips. Option to modify, placing pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. Release, coming into your tabletop pose. Inhale, dropping the belly, take your gaze up. Exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down. Continue syncing breath with movement, flowing at your own pace. Whenever you're ready, come to a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards the left, right hand reaches up and over. Inhale back to center, exhale, take it over towards the right. And we'll just flow here, side to side, moving at your own pace. And we'll go ahead and gently shake it out. Take a moment, maybe swaying side to side. Inhale, hands reach up. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste.